This is Project 17 of Hacking with Swift. In this project, we're going to answer the question, how fast can you make a game in SpriteKit? And the answer is very fast. And that's even when you're learning about per pixel collision detection, timers, linear and angular dampening, and advancing particle systems. The game we're going to produce is a very simple survival game. Our player will have to pilot a spaceship safely through a field of space junk. The longer they stay alive, the higher their score will be. But they need to keep moving, otherwise certain death awaits. Remarkably, we're going to make all that in just about 100 lines of code. We've got so much to get through, let's go straight to Xcode. In Xcode, please choose Create a New Xcode Project. Select iOS, then Game, then press Next. Name this thing Project 17, then press Next, and create on your desktop. Please change your device from Universal to be iPad, and then Landscape only. Now download the assets for this project from GitHub. They're on github.com/2straws/hackingwithswift. I had them already on my desktop. So I've got a Finder here, find Hacking with Swift, and look inside the Project 17 files directory. Inside there, look inside Content. And you see there's a variety of pictures and a couple of SKS files. The SKS files are particle systems. The pictures are ball at 2x, big spark, hammer at 2x, player at 2x, spark, and TV. I'm going to drag those into my asset catalog. So I'll select assets here in Xcode, then drag those files in. And for the two particle systems, I'll select them individually and drag them into my project navigator. Like that. Finally, and most importantly, and also most boringly, we're going to clean Xcode's template, so it's back showing a large empty screen. To do that, we will right-click on Actions SKS and delete it. And yes, move to trash. We'll go into Game Scene SKS, remove the Hello World label, change its size to be 1024 wide by 768 high, anchor point to be 0, 0, so the bottom left corner. In GameScene.Swift, we're going to delete nearly all the code. So go away gameplay kit, go away label and spinny node, go away everything else inside here. I'm going to leave an empty did move to view and an empty update at current time method. And now we're done, so go ahead and start the clock. Let's see how long it takes to make this game.